We're now going to take a look at the microwave method of tempering chocolate. This is a very quick and effective method for tempering small amounts of chocolate, perfect for making chocolate decorations or dipping just a few bonbons. To begin, we're going to take some of our chocolate and place it into a microwave-safe bowl. We'll start with the entire quantity that we wish to temper, and we'll place this in the microwave for 45 seconds to begin the melting. These times may vary depending on the power of your microwave, so you may need more or less time. The chocolate's now been in the microwave for 45 seconds. I'm going to stir it well and distribute the heat, making sure that we don't burn any of the chocolate in the bowl. The fundamental idea of tempering in the microwave is that we never bring the temperature of the chocolate above its final working temperature. So we're going to work very carefully with the microwave, making sure that we melt this chocolate to just about 29 to 30 degrees Celsius. So each time that I go into the microwave, I'm going to use less time each time. So now I'll go into the microwave for just about 25 seconds and then bring it back and stir it again. The chocolate is slowly continuing to melt as we microwave it. Now I'll return it to the microwave, this time only for about 15 seconds. We can see now the chocolate continues to melt and we have just a few small lumps remaining in our chocolate. We now must work very carefully to slowly melt those lumps without raising the temperature of our chocolate above the final working temperature. Again, for this white chocolate, 29 degrees Celsius. So I've melted this chocolate in the microwave for a total of about 1 minute and 20 seconds. Depending on the power of your microwave, that time may vary. In between each addition of heat from the microwave, I've stirred the chocolate thoroughly, allowing the lumps of chocolate to slowly melt in the bowl without ever exceeding the final working temperature of 29 degrees Celsius. We can see that we have a perfectly smooth and lump-free chocolate ready to be tested before use. We'll take a tool, dip into the chocolate, and set this on the table. Within 1 to 3 minutes, we should see the chocolate set with complete uniformity. Once we achieve that, we'll be able to use our tempered chocolate. So we can see, after just 1 to 3 minutes, we have a test that's set completely with uniformity. There are no streaks or blotches in our test, which means we're now ready to use our tempered chocolate. We can use this chocolate for any application that might require tempered chocolate. The method that I've just shown you works for every single variety of chocolate, whether it's dark, milk, white, gold chocolate, or even ruby chocolate. When you use the microwave method of tempering, make sure that you follow the guidelines for whichever type of chocolate that you're using. Meaning that if you're tempering white chocolate, you should not go above the working temperature of 29 degrees Celsius, 30 to 31 for milk, or 32 degrees for dark chocolate. If you follow these straightforward tips, you'll have perfectly tempered chocolate from the microwave each and every time.